Hello student, this is Ashish Vegarla from Electrical Department. Today we will learn chopper in the subject Power Electronics. Let's start with the first part of chopper. Let's move to the content of this topic. In this topic we will learn features of chopper, what are the types of chopper, what are the method to control the chopper, and how chopper will works and what principle it will works. Let's start with the features of chopper. So chopper is a static device that converts fixed DC input voltage into the variable DC output voltage directly. It means we have to supply the fixed input voltage at the input and it will give us variable DC in the output. So it is a DC to DC converter which converts the fixed DC into variable DC. DC equivalent of AC transformer as it is behave as an ideal manner, more efficient than AC transformer, more efficient than AC transformer as they involve in one stage of conversion. Chopper will offer smooth control, high efficiency and fast response and regeneration. Chopper may be act as a step up or step down device. Chopper can be operate in either continuous or discontinuous conduction mode. It means it will operate in continuous conduction of current or in discontinuous conduction of current. If the value of inductor connected in the series with the load is very high amount, then it is a continuous conduction. If the value of inductor selected for chopper it is of low value and is a discontinuous conduction. Chopper can built with and without electrical isolation. It is used in trolley cars, marine hoist, trucks, mine haulers, etc. Let's start with the various types of chopper. So depending upon the direction of output current and voltage, chopper can be classified into different types. That is a class A chopper, it is a first quadrant chopper. Next is class B chopper, it is a second quadrant chopper. Class C chopper is a two quadrant chopper, it is operating in first quadrant and second quadrant. Class D chopper, it is also two quadrant chopper, it is also operating in first quadrant and fourth quadrant. The last one is class E chopper, it is a four quadrant chopper, it means it will operate in first, second, third and fourth quadrant. Same time, based on the output voltage, it is also classified step up chopper, step down chopper and buck boost chopper, etc. Let's see various methods to control the chopper. The first method is pulse width modulation. In this method, the pulse width of the output waveform, in this we have to vary the turn on time or turn off time and we have to keep the frequency constant. Let's see the waveform of this method. Later on we will see waveform of this method. The second one is variable frequency control. In this method, we have to vary the frequency instead of turn on time or turn off time. As we increase or decrease the frequency due to frequency modulation to obtain the full output voltage, frequency has to be varied over the wide range which will produce the harmonics in the output. Let's see various methods to control the chopper. Let's see waveform of different methods which are used to control the chopper. The first one is PWM method and second one is variable frequency method. As per first method, we have kept frequency constant. To keep the frequency constant, we have to maintain the time period constant. So we have only two options. We can vary the turn on time or turn off time. So in first method, we have kept turn on time of very less amount. In the first method, we have kept turn on time of very low value and turn off time of very high value. In the second method, we have kept turn on time of very high value, turn off time of very low value. And the second one is variable frequency method, variable frequency control. So in variable frequency control, we have to vary the frequency, and to vary the frequency, we have to change its total time. So in the first method, value of total time is very large, whereas in second method, value of total time is low. So by varying the frequency, we can vary the output voltage. Let's see what are the principles for chopper operation. So this is a circuit diagram of chopper. So as per this circuit diagram, first we have connected one SCR as a switch. In series with the SCR, we have connected one inductor and it having one load, and across it we have connected one freewheeling diode, and this freewheeling diode is used to dissipate the energy which is stored in the load or in the inductor, and it will dissipate the energy. Let's see how it will work. So in starting, we have to trigger the SCR. So if we trigger the SCR, then current will flows from the supply to the SCR, to the inductor, to the load, and it will come back to this battery. So same time, this inductor is going to charge and it will store energy inside. Now if we turn off the SCR, so as per the third circuit diagram, the inductor will going to discharge. So left side of the inductor will become positive and right side of inductor will become negative, such that this inductor is going to discharge through this load through this freewheeling diode. So when the SCR is turned on, the output voltage is equal to the input voltage. When the SCR is turned off, at that time this diode will freewheel. So the diode will come across the load, hence the output voltage when the switch is off is 0. So this is the step down chopper. It means value of the output voltage is lesser than the input voltage. Same way we have shown combined circuit diagram of this chopper. Let's see chopper operation in detail. So switch is connected in series with the DC voltage source and the load. The switch can be power transistor, SCR, and it is also GTO. GTO means gate turn off thyristor. And it will offer the infinite resistance during turn off time. It can be turned on or turn off desired value at very high frequency. Thus we will get output voltage is equal to the input voltage. And during turn off time, the chopper is off such that the freewheeling diode will conduct. So output voltage will be 0. Let's see question for assignment. The first one is explain features of chopper. The second is explain types of chopper. And the third one is explain principle of chopper operation. Thank you.
If you like this video, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel LJP Electrical. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to get latest video update fast.